Virginia Glass Doors and Window Repair is the primary glazier and glass company serving Fairfax, Arlington, and Alexandria. We specialize in all glass repair and glass replacement for shower doors, glass doors, window repair, window replacement, skylights, glass tabletops, patio doors, and glass shelves. Take a look at our operations.
Now that you have seen our back-end glass fabrication operations and got a glimpse of our Virginia-based glass company, I would like to discuss some of the services we can directly provide to you and your business. We are specialists in all types of glass repair and replacement for commercial, residential, and storefront applications. In addition to being a seasoned glass contractor in Alexandria, Fairfax, and Arlington of Virginia, we are also experts in window repair and replacement for residential and commercial properties. Glass doors are our specialty, as we can customize them any way you want. Our shower doors come in all shapes, sizes, and types. We customize, repair, replace, and install them for the best prices in Virginia. Our glass tabletop services range from custom designs to replacing your broken glass tops. We also provide glass shelving, glass railing, and glass fencing solutions. Storefront glass repair and replacements are very time sensitive, as sometimes they are for emergency purposes and your business assets are at stake. No matter the complexity or circumstances, you are in great hands. Call us now at 571-252-7733 or visit us at www.vaglassdoorsandwindowrepair.com. We look forward to talking with you soon.